Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Reading local and long-distance movers near me. Our experienced movers in Reading are hardworking and respectful of your time, so we diligently show up on schedule to get to work. At our Reading Moving Company, quality moving services meet affordable prices, so you'll be getting the best of both worlds. The free quotes give our customers an extra guarantee. Compare our free quote with moving estimates from other moving companies in Reading, CA. You will find out that 3Movers offers the best rates. No matter how far you're going, either to a different state or to a foreign country, we can take care of your move. With our protective packaging, you can be assured that your valuables are safe. A local move didn't seem like much, but just like a long-distance move, you'll have to pack and carry your things to your new home or office. Unlike other Reading moving companies, our local movers will get you packed and unpacked on the same day at 3Movers. You would be hard-pressed to find movers in Reading, CA that can get the job done any quicker than that. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Reading moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.